On the coast of Normandy, France, there is a gravity-defying abbey that breaks the rules of geography. At low tide, it is part of the mainland, surrounded by miles of sand. You can walk right up to the gates, but wait a few hours, and the landscape completely changes. This is Mont Saint-Michel. It sits in a bay that experiences some of the most violent tides in the world. Twice a day, the water level rises by 14 meters, roughly the height of a 4-story building. The tide rushes in at speeds of up to 6 kilometers per hour. For centuries, this unique geography made the mount nearly impossible to attack. During the 100 Years' War, the English army tried to capture it, but failed repeatedly. They couldn't siege the castle because their ships would get stranded in the mud at low tide, and their ground troops would drown when the high tide rushed back in. The ocean itself was the weapon. For decades, a man-made road connected the island to the shore, blocking the water and ruining the natural cycle. But in 2014, engineers replaced the road with a raised bridge. Now the water can flow freely again, ensuring that La Merveille de l'Occident remains a true island.